All right, everyone, when it comes to car insurance, it's definitely a tug of war.
You know, you need it to protect yourself against a wreck wrecking your finances. The insurance industry wants you to insure against even the slightest inconvenience. With 6 on Your Side Answers, consumer reporter Don Dare discusses step-by-step now some of the ways you may save for your car insurance.
If you don't know how much you're paying for car insurance, it's time to find out by getting organized. Pull out your policy and record the pertinent information. You want to understand your policy, including how much you would pay to increase coverages and how much you would save by reducing certain coverages. For instance, should you drop rental car insurance since you've never used it, or raise your liability coverage as your net worth has increased? The liability portion of your policy pays for damage you do to other people and their stuff. This is required by state law, and it's one area of your policy where you do not want to scrimp. But when you think about how much liability to buy, you need to consider, again, your net worth in your situation. While you don't want to pay for more coverage than you need, it's important not to underinsure yourself. And you'll likely find adding more coverage is not all that expensive. Comprehensive and collision coverage pays for damage to your car. If someone else hits you and it's their fault, their liability insurance should pay to repair or replace your car. If you mess up and your car is damaged, however, that's where your comp and collision come in. It also pays if your car gets stolen or vandalized. Some people save money here if they're driving a car that's worth, say, $3,000 or $4,000. The rule of thumb when it comes to comp and collision, if the premiums exceed 10% of the value of your car, you might consider dropping the coverage. However, if you borrow money to buy a car, this isn't a choice you can make because many lenders will force you to have comp and collision. The deductible is the portion of loss you're expected to cover. Many people have $250 deductible, yet would never think of filing a claim for less than $1,000 because they'd be justifiably afraid of a rate hike. But if you're willing to lose $1,000 if you mess up, then raise your deductible to $1,000 and save 10 to 20% in your bill. This is the simplest and fastest way to save in your car insurance. If you have questions, talk frankly with your agent. Being able to make your coverage match your needs and having the facts at hand also allows you to shape your policy easily and virtually instantly. Don Dare, WATE, 6 on Your Side.
All right, thank you, Don. And if you have a consumer question for Don, send him an email at ddare@wate.com or call his 6 on Your Side hotline number, 865-633-5974.